Whew. I gotta hurry up. He's telling me to go home. Hey, listen, I got this little bit of video I wanted to show y'all. I had a project I had to do and was help with some good friends. It got accomplished. Driving ground rods around this area ain't no laughing matter. 8 foot, gotta drive them all the way in the ground hard. This ain't no sugar sand we're working with around here. This is hard clay. Did a little research, came up with a method. Man, I was dreading this day so bad, but this turned out so good. Thanks to everybody who helped me out. I can't believe we got them in the ground this quick. If you hadn't ever drove any ground rods with a sledgehammer, I'm telling you, this is how it's done. I made some mistakes. A big mistake. Don't make the mistake I did. Keep your hands off that stuff. The whole time I'm worried about that little old acre nut drifting down. I don't care about that little $3 nut. The devil with it. Let's see if it'll run. Golly.
Alright, you ready to finish this thing on out?
Do it, son, go.
How far are we?
Get back there. I'm gonna hold her steady for you, I hope. I'm glad they're in the ground. I've had it to do over again. I wouldn't put those acre nuts on till the end. I was afraid they were going to either mushroom the rod and I wasn't going to be able to get the thing on there, or it was going to work its way down in the ground and be gone. I only had the one for each rod, of course. So, yeah, laugh at it if you wish, but if I have to drive another, I'm going to do it the same doggone way. Well, what'd you think about that? Now that's taking the work out of it. and I could have just stood over and watched it be done, it looked like. But nonetheless, this is a good opportunity for you to hit that like and subscribe button, because some of y'all are watching and you ain't subscribing. We'll see y'all. Got to get in. It's gonna rain on me. It's coming. There it is right there. Rod's on.